General Karamat, meron pang board resolution po.
According to my former command group here, we have a board resolution, sir. And I just want to present a simple logic here, sir. Accusing me of whimsically.
Mr. Chair, General Karamat,
Yes, sir.
we're
Yes,
not
Congressman.
accusing you here. Be careful of your word. We're not accusing you here. We're asking questions, and that is our job. Remember that.
Noted po, Mr. Chairman, sir.
Oh, why are you accusing me? Sama kami rito eh.
Sorry for my words, sir. But
Kaya nga, you be careful of your words.
noted po, sir.
Thank you.
I just want to present
Wait, General
Yes, sir.
Karamat. That goes with us, me as well, the
Yes, sir.
chairman
Yes, sir.
and my co-chair. Actually, naunahan lang ako ni Chairman Akop. I was offended by your words.
I'm sorry, Your Honor,
I was
sir.
really offended.
Yes, sir.
Be careful. We're trying to ferret out the truth because there's an instruction from the president and the speaker. And the speaker told us to ferret the truth. And we are doing our job as well as you are. All of us, being a part of this government, we have to do our share. At kung wala kayo sa tama at ando kayo sa mali, pasensyahan po tayo. That is our task. Thank you. Congressman Posita, you can continue.
So, yes, General Karamat, sir, hindi ka namin inaakusahan eh. Yung pong mga tinatanong namin, base na rin po sa sagot ninyo. Na ang sabi po ninyo, prior to operation, talagang subject for reassignment na si Colonel Alejandro. That's why, inaalam po natin kung ito ba ay mayroong board resolution. So, hindi po natin masagot. So, Mr. Chair, pwede po bang i-direct natin ang CIDG to submit resolution if ever na meron nga po, Mr. Chair?
Okay, General Karamat, can you ask the, sino bang na ngayon, si IDG?
General Leo Francisco, sir.
Si Leo Francisco, is he here? O yung attorney na lang ng abogado? The legal officer, we have invited him, Colonel Tomas Balmonte, are you here? Can you kindly sit down? Can you give us all the documents pertaining to the query of Congressman Busita?
Yes, Your Honors.
Your attorney,
Valmonte, Your Honor.
ano po ang position niyo sa CIDG?
I am the Chief of the Legal Division of the CIDG, Your Honors.
Member po ba kayo ng SOPB?
No, Your Honors.
So hindi po niya masasagot, Mr. Chair, yung gusto nating itanong sa kanya.
Hindi, ang ano lang natin siguro, with your indulgence, no? Kasi siya yung may hawak ng mga kaso eh. So we can possibly ask, kasi kanina you were asking about the case na baka ma-dismiss.
No, Mr. Chair, ang tinatanong po natin yung board resolution para sa reassignment ni Colonel
PICOD.
Alejandro.
Sa PICOD. PICOD.
Sa CIDG, Mr. Chair, kasi sila po ang nag-relieve eh.
Sige, go ahead. Ano?
We, Your Honors, if I may, we have here the Chief of the ARMD with regard to the issuance of the orders of the personnel.
Okay.
And we can request him to furnish this honorable committee of the
Okay.
necessary resolution.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. Nandiyan po ba yung chief ng ARMD, CIDG, Mr. Chair?
Yes, good afternoon po, Mr. Chair. I am the current Chief PRMD of CIDG, but the question here is the date of or the year of the assignment of Colonel Alejandro, Mr. Chair, sir, is 2023. I am the new Chief PRMD, and I was only assigned as Chief PRMD on May 8, 2024.
Yes, but Mr. Chair, ikaw po ang isa sa ranking officer sa CIDG, tama po ba? ARMD?
Yes, Mr. Chair, sir.
So, Mr. Chair, pwede po bang mag-submit kayo ng SOPB resolution ng CIDG pertaining to the reassignment of Colonel Alejandro?
Yes, Mr. Chair, sir, we will check the resolution at our office.
Okay, thank you, Mr. Chair. General Bakay, sir. Nabanggit po ninyo kanina yung PICOD. Nandiyan po ba yung chief ng PICOD?
A former PICOD, Mr. Chair, who issued the memorandum that I signed is present, Mr. Chair, and may we be allowed to call her?
Thank
Colonel
you,
Madeline
General.
Cacao, Mr. Chair.
Yes, Mr. Chair, thank you. General Bakay, thank you.
Last two questions, Congressman Busita.
Yes, Mr. Chair, for PICOD. Chief.
Good afternoon po, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Chief PICOD. Ano po ba ang participation ninyo sa SOPB ng NHQ? Kayo po ba ay member or secretary?
Secretariat po, sir. Head Secretariat, sir.
Okay. Di po ba ang SOP, bago ma-relieve ang senior officers, mayroong board resolution? Tama po ba?
For placement and promotion po, we conducted deliberations po sa SOPPB. Pero for positions lang po siya for entry positions for police colonel. And then for exclusive 2 and exclusive 3 positions and on upwards, sir. Pero kung ano lang po siya, pwede ko po bang ituloy na lang, i-advance ko ang...
Ganito, no?
Sige po.
In the interest of time, ang tanong ko lamang po, yung po bang reassignment ni Colonel Buyakaw, yung pinirmahan ni General Bakay na memorandum, yung po ba ay may resolution or wala?
Wala po, Mr.
Wala,
Chair.
Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, I respectfully move to invite Colonel Buyakaw, Colonel Alejandro, Major Laraga, PSMS Almerol, PSSG Pabian, Police Corporal Boyoten, Police Corporal Manayan, Patrolman Borja, Patrolman Tuding, Police Major Salveron, and Police Major Bisco to attend in the next hour hearing. Mr.
Chair
Chair.
Bakay, are they not present today? They are present, sir. They are present today, Your Honor.
Yes, thank you, Mr. Chair. Kung nandiyan po, invite na lang po next hearing dahil last question ko na. Pwede pa po ba?
Second round ka naman eh.
Thank you, General Acop, sir. My senior officer. May bonus pala ako. Nandiyan po ba si Colonel George Buyakaw?
Mr. Chair, may I answer? All the police officers mentioned are present except for Colonel Buyakaw, who is on leave, Mr. Chair.
Okay.
Apologies.
By seniority. Nandiyan po ba si Colonel Alejandro? Mr. Chair. Thank you, Mr. Chair. Colonel Alejandro, bago po kayo na-assign as Regional Chief, CIDG 3, saan po kayo assign?
Magandang tanghali po sa ating chairman. Bago po ako na-reassign ng CIDG, I was the Force Commander of Regional Mobile Force Battalion of PRO Cordillera.
Okay. Pero prior to your assignment as Regional Chief CIDG 3, may assignment na po ba kayo dati sa CIDG?
Negative, sir. 2022 is the first assignment in CIDG, sir.
Okay, Colonel Alejandro, nadinig naman po ninyo na bago kayo ma-relieve, talagang subject for reassignment na kayo. And parang gustong sabihin ni General Karamat, based on your performance, kung i-rate po ba ninyong inyong sarili, yung performance po ninyo as Regional Chief, CIDG 3, ano po ba kayo from 1 to 10?
Sir, based on the my performance, sir, I will rate myself maybe 8 or 7, sir. because I was not the perfect commander as others do.
Anong ibig mong sabing number 8? Kung 10 kayo, sa ranking, number 8 ka lang? Or
Maybe, sir.
sa ranking? Sa ranking, 1 to 10. Kung irarank mo yung number 1 mo, ikaw ba yung best? Ikaw yung the best? Number 1? Or linawin natin.
Sir, sa middle lang, sir. Hindi naman ako ganun kagaling na official, sir. But hindi naman ako ganun ka-lousy.
Okay. Mr. Chair, bago ka ma-relieve, alam naman natin yan eh. Nabalitaan mo na ba na marirelieve ka o hindi?
Yes, sir. During the assumption of Major General Karamat, sir, he was already announced the rigodon ng mga senior officers ng CIDG, sir.
Yes, normal naman yun eh. Pag may bagong commander eh. So, after the operation, then na-relieve ka the following day, ikaw ba yung na-floating o pinapili ng assignment?
No, sir, I was designated as the Chief of General Services of CIDG.
General Services, parang ano yun eh, Camp Commander, tama ba?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So, nung na-relieve ka, anong nangyari dun sa mga personnel mo, mga subordinates mo?
Subsequently, sir, some of the officers are already relieved din, sir.
Bakit? Colonel Alejandro, tao niyo po ba si ano? Sinong other officers na tao po ninyo?
Sir, being a commander, sir, lahat ng nasasakupan ko sa RFU 3, sir, tao ko.
Hindi. Sino yung officers or officer na na-relieve din, na nandito ngayon?
I was referring to Police Lieutenant Colonel Nick Poblete, sir.
Nandiyan ba siya, Mr. Chair?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Pwede po ba, Mr. Chair, kay Colonel Poblete?
Sabi ni Chairman ako, 2 question lang, sumobra na. Okay. Ano ka na kasi? Time ka na kasi.
Okay. Okay. Actually,
Pinagbigyan-
kanina ko pa ikat sana eh.
Pinagbigyan ka lang,
Meron pa
sumobra ka
namang
naman.
mga succeeding hearings eh. So,
Sige.
okay lang sa akin, Mr. Chair.
Okay. So,
Thank you very much
thank
po.
you so much. So, para
Okay po.
pupunta na po tayo
Thank
sa
you.
sunod. Hindi, ako may ano lang kay Colonel Alejandro. Colonel Alejandro, were you summoned sa mga hearings noong kaso doon sa Banban?
No, sir.
No? Hindi kayo umatendo sa... And that's the reason why kaya recommended for further investigation. Wala... Kasi according sa lack of probable cause, baka yung kasong yan, mapunta na lang sa bangketa yan.
No, sir.
You were not invited, and even all those people who were involved in the operation?
I was not invited, sir, because I was already
How about the other,
relieved.
Okay. Pero you were part of the operation, correct?
Yes, sir. Ako po yung commander ng operation na yun during that time.
So, hindi kayo naka-attend sa any kind of investigation?
No, sir.
Why? Attorney, Colonel Balmonte, bakit hindi sila, di ba sila part of the operation? And we filed cases against the Hongsheng Gaming Technology. So bakit hindi kasama itong mga to? Dahil ba na-assign na sila sa iba't ibang parte ng Pilipinas?
No, sir. It is not that way. There are investigators assigned with regard to that specific case. And Police Lieutenant Colonel Poblete and Police Lieutenant Colonel Husmilio are the ones assigned. And they are receiving subpoenas or notices from the court if ever they are needed during the hearing.
And these people are part of the witnesses, di ba?
Yes, Your
Ano-
Honors,
ano
the investigators on case.
Ano na estado ng kaso sa Banban?
The case...
Sige, go ahead.
Yes, Your Honor. The case for violation of Securities Act and in relation with cybercrime law were forwarded to the Regional Trial Court of Angeles City, branch 53, I think. And they are ongoing hearing, trial, Your Honors. The one that was RFI or referred for further investigation is the complaint for violation of Anti-Trafficking in Person Act. And then eventually, there was this amended resolution by the Office of the Provincial Prosecutor, including the resolution includes 383 Chinese nationals as accused. In fact, a warrant of arrest was issued against them, Your Honor. Your Honor.
Is this accurate, Paok TF? Can you kindly give us some information on the cases that were filed? Kasi I heard that...
I have, yes,
sige,
Your Honor.
sige, go ahead.
Your Honor, I have no idea on the first raid that they did in Banban, sir. It is not our case, sir.
Ang case nyo, yung sa
Yung sa amin lang, sir.
Yusheng.
Yung pangalawa, sir.
Yes.
Yung sa Sunyuan, sir, yung pangalawang raid po, that is yung kaso na, sir, ni Mayor, suspended Mayor Alice Go.
So ano nangyari doon sa Yusheng case?
Wala po akong idea.
What's the status of the Yusheng case?
The cases are pending trial with the Regional Trial Court of Angeles City, Your Honors.
Okay, please bantayan po natin to kasi nakatutok po tayo lahat dito sa case na to. And even yung sa kaso kay Colonel George Buyakaw.
Yes, Your
And
Honors.
being the legal chief ng CIDG, you have a big responsibility.
Yes, Your Honors.
Tanda mo, Colonel Balmonte, we're watching. Okay? Sige. The next interpolator, before we proceed, the chair would like to acknowledge the presence of Congresswoman Marlene Agabas. And the next interpolator is Congressman Keith Flores. You are now recognized.
Thank you, Mr. Chair. Mr. Chair, earlier while I was listening to Attorney Harry Roque, he was saying that he was never involved with Lucky South 99 other than to accompany Cassandra Leong to the PAGCOR. Is that correct, sir?
Yes, Mr. Chairman, I accompanied Cassandra as an officer of Whirlwind, as in pursuant to the documents that I submitted today before this committee, she signed as corporate secretary, sir.
And your participation was limited to that purpose lang, no? Yung negotiation as to the payment for the fees that were not paid. Tama po ba?
Yes, Your Honor, and 2 weeks later, they retained me to handle the ejectment case, specifically a motion to quash.
I mean, just in relation to PAGCOR lang.
Yes, Your Honor, that's it.
Okay,
Yes, Your
now, 2 meetings ago kasi, Mr. Chair, I remember that Altenco, during questioning by